Are you vlogging today?
I am. I'm vlogging a night in my life. It's really starting this afternoon. I just had some cheese, pickles, and crackers. Katie's working on school and I'm working on my CPR certification. I got a very exciting package. I'm nervous. I got my stethoscope. Oh. I'm so excited. I'm sad that I couldn't use it today because today we actually learned how to take vitals. I was using the ones in our class and they're so cheap. I could barely hear anything. She's not really the color that I was expecting.
What color were you expecting?
I was expecting more of like a light gray. She's just a gray, but
I'm dead.
Do I look like a doctor now? Isn't that crazy? Oh, it's really good quality compared to what I had. Let me just get in here. Oh wait, wrong side. For those of you wondering, I got the Cardiology Littman 4. I asked all of you wonderful people on my Instagram. The Littman 3 is also just as good as the Littman 4, but you might as well get the Littman 4. Also, it's better for pediatrics. I was like, let's send it. Hi, Katie.
Hi.
Hi, my name's Kiara. I'm gonna be your CNA today. Can I do some vital signs on you?
Yeah,
actually, can I measure some vital signs?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna just take you guys along. Gonna get my training done.
I was shopping with my son and I wanted to go home and eat, and then I got dizzy and had to sit down.
This means it is time to call.
Just virtual training
Throughout
thing.
these missions.
Let go, rain. It's not your song to sing no more. Goodbye, blame. Weights can't lift you up, but you can find a way to drop them. Can you feel the wind? Say you do, it's how it all begins. Then comes reason, then purpose. Well, you will find your way. In the meantime,
Hello guys, what's up? I'm coming at you from Tillicum Crossing in Portland, Oregon. I was honestly just in a really bad, sad mood because this has just been a really long day. I drove out here, listened to my playlist, I drove past OHSU. I just think it's important to take care of yourself, and I just needed to get out and have a break, and I got home and there's no parking left in my building. I just needed to get out and remind myself why I'm working so hard. I think it's so easy when you're getting in a new routine to get so caught up being overwhelmed. It's a lot of work and it's hard to just suddenly wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning and go to class for 6 hours and then come home and do more school and still have more to do on my to-do list. If you too are feeling this way, just know you're not alone. I'm gonna go make some dinner because I think I really need some food. Also want to show you guys a bunch of really cute stuff that I got from Fabletics because this video is actually sponsored by Fabletics. You guys know I love their stuff. I'm actually wearing all Fabletics right now. Doing that is definitely gonna bring up my mood. I will show you guys a little haul. We'll do a little try on, make some dinner together, get through this night. I still have some more studying to do. If you are feeling a similar way or just want to rant about something, comment that down below. I want to read what you guys have to say. Maybe we can all help each other out and support each other. It's so easy for me just to like gloss over, oh yeah, my life is perfect and it's super fun and it's great to be busy again, and I'm so lucky to be busy again, but it's a lot.
it's how we learn. Don't be concerned. It has to hurt. Yes, every single turn.
So I come home and I'm feeling much better because I took care of myself and went for my nice drive. The people outside of my building, this girl was like breaking up with her boyfriend. So I've just decided that everyone's having a really rough 2020. Hang in there, it's almost over, sort of. I am finally making this dinner that has been on my list. And if I don't cook it tonight, my chicken will go bad. I thought I would show you guys what I'm cooking. I have so much food right now. I'm definitely missing something. I'm gonna have to go get the recipe. All right, so tonight on the menu, we have my favorite dinner, coconut lime chicken, but I also add a bunch of veggies, snow peas, a bell pepper. The sauce requires cilantro. We got chicken breast, chicken broth, coconut milk, a shallot, I don't know, garlic, ginger, and lime juice. And then I just season my chicken with salt and pepper, and I cook the chicken with avocado oil.
Just another sunny day in Southern California.
going well. I'm just going to turn her down. Before I eat, I pretty much have the kitchen cleaned and ready to go. So then when I'm done, I just put my plate away and everything stays really clean, tidy. I hope you guys are having a good night. This is kind of a typical average night, but I'm actually really excited that I'm cooking this meal because it's gonna be meal prepped. Like, I obviously made way too much because I'm used to making this for a lot of people, but I froze half of my chicken and then I just made a whole lot of this. So I might even freeze 1 or 2 batches of this so that I can have it when I don't feel like cooking. And I think that is the way I'm going to start to cook. I'm gonna eat my food. Oh, I know what I was gonna get. Those little jasmine, these little jasmine rice packets. This does kind of require a little bit of rice just because it's soft. I cannot break another camera. I will not be okay. I'm filming this on my old vlog camera, which I gave to my dad because I just recently broke my vlog camera and I haven't had time to go to Best Buy and see if my insurance covers it. So for now, we're using this one. We need this. My makeshift table. Let's find some YouTube. Maybe I'll watch a little Brooke Michio, a little Hannah Elise. Let's see who uploaded. I really outdid myself. A little bit limey on my part, but I like it like that. I'm telling you, this dish tastes like comfort food. I'll link it down below. Try it out. Send me a pic of you cooking it. Finally haul time. Don't make me, I'm just sinking into my air mattress. So we're gonna do a little haul and I'm probably gonna do like a little try on right here on this side of the screen. I'm gonna show you guys what's in their October collection. It's really cute, fun stuff. First, let's start with what I'm actually wearing. They came out with a whole cold weather legging collection and now these are actually the joggers, but I've been wearing these for 2 days straight. I'm not gonna lie, I wore these yesterday and I almost just went to bed in them because they're so comfortable. I gotta show you the best part. Fabletics has pockets everywhere. If you are a pocket person like I am, you're just gonna love their stuff. But they have a pocket right here, and what I love about it is it's 1, super easy to slip my phone into, and 2, it's like angled vertically so it's not gonna slip out. The cold weather legging collection, they have a really cute light gray seam that runs down them. Super soft on the inside. Like, this is gonna be crazy nice for ski season. Oh, I also got the same leggings but in black. They have so many cute outerwear things. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this jacket, this little cropped, ribbed, seamless jacket. So cute. Then we got this adorable white cropped puffer jacket. Now this is just absolutely iconic. I feel like I'm the Michelin man, but make him trendy. The Oregonian in me just lives for these jackets. This one is a nice black jacket. Very puffy, very cute. But what's so special about this bad boy is that he actually covers your butt. And this is a game changer. If the jacket covers your butt, literally 100 times warmer. I got this adorable blue fluffy, I think she's reversible, the Spencer reversible jacket, and I think this would also be really cute with this set because it's very fall. These are the high-waisted sculpt knit macrame 7/8 leggings, and I just love the texture on the bottom of the leggings. Of course, we have the matching top that's long sleeves to go with her. I'm in love. And then I love that every single month Fabletics comes out with new colors. I think they're so fun. We got these beautiful blue, these are the ribbed seamless, right? These are my faves. Oh yeah, the high-waisted seamless leggings from Fabletics, my absolute fave. I have a matching top to go with her. I mean, it doesn't get better than that. The last 2 things that I'm gonna show you guys, this is the Zaylee funnel neck top. It's really cute, thick, so soft on the inside. This one's got a hood on it. Also, again, very soft. She's so comfy, cozy. I'm very excited to wear her. The October stuff from Fabletics, iconic. Every month, they blow me away. If you guys wanna get the best deal on your Fabletics stuff, you need to sign up to become a VIP member. It's free to join. You can skip shopping for that month anytime you want, but you also get access to exclusive deals, and when you sign up you can get 2 pairs of bottoms for $24 plus 50% off everything else in your order. I love wearing Fabletics stuff, especially when I'm going to school. It gets me out of my pajamas, but I'm still crazy comfortable, so I definitely recommend checking them out if you're looking for some new pieces to work out in, to motivate you, to just get you up in the morning. I have homework to do and I have to shower still. There's just a lot I want to actually do with the rest of my night. One of the things I want to do is just tidy up my place. It's not looking too bad, but if I can like go take out the trash, take out the recycling right now, I'm gonna be so much happier with myself. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna cross it off my list, then I'm gonna shower, then I'm gonna finish my homework in my school. So let's see how much we can still get done. finished my homework. Katie's still on FaceTime with me like we do every night. It's almost 11. It's 10:45. I'm gonna go to bed because I want to wake up extra early tomorrow so I can go get my free Starbucks drink on my birthday. Gonna try to film tomorrow, so hopefully you guys will see that. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. Today's comment of the day is going to be, what are you proud of overcoming in 2020?
Wow.
Deep. We're getting deep here today. Also, make sure to check out the link in my description box so you guys can sign up to become a VIP member at Fabletics, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace, love, happiness, productivity.
I only worry that I'm crazy, 'cause if it's all true, well, it's all true. I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate